This topic is interpreting a histogram. And a histogram, remember, looks like a bar graph, but along the bottom it's going to have groups of data, and we call those classes of data. And then along the sides, it's still going to have frequency just like a regular bar graph. This first problem says Solitaire is a maker of high-end apparel for women. For market research one afternoon, Solitaire's sales team surveyed adult women at a busy airport on the number of blouses they own. The histogram below summarizes the data. Part A says how many adult women in the survey own from 20 to 28. So that would be this bar right here, which would be 5 women. Next part B, how many adult women in the survey own 29 or more blouses? So that would be these people, and these people. So we're going to have to add those up. 2 plus 8 plus 9, that was an 8. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 9 is 19. And part C asks what is the class width? These are our classes right here. And the class width means how many pieces of data they have included in them. So be careful with this. Don't just subtract 11 minus 9, or 19 minus 11. We need to think about what are the actual pieces of data that are included there. So for example, from 11 to 19, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of data. And there are going to be 9 pieces of data in each class. This problem says each summer track and field athletes from all over the world represent their country by competing in the Sekai Games. At the end of last year's games, the official record keeper counted the number of gold medals won by each country in that year's games. The histogram below summarizes the data. Part A, how many countries won from 15 to 18 gold medals? So that would be this region right here, and it looks like that's 6 countries. Part B, how many countries won 14 or fewer gold medals? That would be these 3 classes. 11 to 14 is 7, to 7 to 10 is 9, and 3 to 6 looks like it's 2. So adding those up, 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 7 is 18 countries. And part C, what is the class width? So looking at this class right here, it will contain the number of gold medals of 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the class width is 4.